Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best travel hack products which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them based on quality, price, and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
This is the award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It can go here, every day, and on your favorite adventures. Really, ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere. And it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Introducing the High Bag Travel Compression Sleeves. A convenient way to reduce space in your suitcase. High Bag is easy to use and can result in up to 75% reduced space. Enjoy more room for your essentials and cleaner, safer clothing. Our travel compression bags help reduce odors, dust, and other contaminants in your suitcase. It features a waterproof plastic exterior and is easy to use. We designed our bags to make a difference in your life. Enjoy the high bag protection and convenience on your travels.
Introducing the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber cleans up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing. This hard-working tool delivers 60 scrubs per second to clean all those hard-to-reach places. 2 interchangeable accessory brushes give you the right tool for the job. The all-purpose scrubbing head is useful for tight spaces. The grout head is ideal for grout lines. The Rubbermaid Power Scrubber cleans up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing. See how easy it is to get the cleaning job done with this powerful cleaning brush. Great for the bathroom and the kitchen.
Uh-oh. Is your tub drain getting stopped up with hair every time you take a shower? Are you fed up with hair strainers like this that are messy and slimy and hard to clean? Well, don't hate your hair, get a Tub Shroom. Tub Shroom is the all-new and better way to snare your hair and prevent clogged tub drains. Watch, Tub Shroom catches every single hair every single time you shower. And getting rid of trapped hair is simple too. Just lift it out and wipe it off. It's that easy. Tub Shroom features a universal design that fits in any standard bathtub drain, and it's guaranteed to catch any type of hair. Long or short, thin or thick, curly or straight. Even pet hair is no problem for Tub Shroom. And look, other so-called solutions don't catch every hair, and the hair they do catch is on display while you shower, and harder to get rid of when you're done. But the Tub Shroom's unique design conceals trapped hair. Water flows freely down the drain, and cleanup is always fast and easy.
With this long hair, I used to deal with a clogged drain practically every day. But my Tub Shroom catches every hair every time I shower. And I love how cute it is.
Catch every single hair every single time you shower with Tub Shroom. No more clogs, no more hard-to-clean messes, and no dangerous chemicals to damage your pipes. Tub Shroom is the last hair strainer you'll ever have to buy, backed by our full 30-day money-back guarantee.
All right, first let me show you how easy it is to make eggs. All you're going to do is use the little pin on the bottom of the cup to pierce the wide side of each egg. Fill up your egg cooker and then fill up your cup with the right amount of water for the number of eggs you have. Then you just pour the water right onto the heating plate, put the lid on, and turn the machine on. And then you just have to wait for the little chime and your eggs are done. Why do you pierce eggs? That's a great question. Have you noticed when you get your eggs home from the grocery store, they're always wide side up? That's because there's a little pocket of air in that side of the egg. When we use the pin to prick the eggs, it's going to do 3 things by releasing that air. 1, it's going to make the egg easier to peel. 2, it's going to prevent the egg from cracking under the heat. And 3, it will make it so you don't cook an egg with a flat side on the top. While these eggs are cooking, let me talk about the egg cup. Now, if you got a large egg cooker, it will come with a large egg cup. And if you read the side, you might be thinking, why does it take less water to cook more eggs? I know it's confusing, but it's physics which are confusing. Less eggs take up less space, which means there needs to be more steam to cook them. Make sense? Speaking of science, if you live at a high altitude, then water is going to boil at a lower temperature, which means you might need slightly more water to cook your eggs. My eggs are done. Now that they're finished cooking, I would suggest putting them in some cold water, which will stop the cooking so you get really yellow yolks. It's also going to make them slightly easier to peel.
We hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel and comment down below.